Hello, welcome to Check It Out with Rich. We are here at the Alliance National Rally year 2025, and I have my door replaced. And the problem is I have no shade on my window now. So this is a Lippert window. You need special clips to take this apart. I actually put out a video before of where I used wedges to do it, but I went over to the Lippert setup in the vendor hall and asked me if they had the clips. So they told me to stop back the next day, and lo and behold, they had a bag of clips. When you buy a window, these clips come with it. Other than that, these little plastic clips are $25 online. So Lippert helped me out pretty good. Okay, we're gonna close this a little bit, and I'm gonna get a close-up. Okay, hopefully you can see this, but there's little notches in here. There's a bunch of them going around. There's another one there. There's one here. Okay, then you take these plastic clips, and this is what they look like in an end view. I don't know how well you can see that. And then you find the little holes. Okay, we got one right here. Okay, did you hear that click? That's it coming unlocked. So let's just go around and put the rest in, and I'll fight with these ones down here. All right, so down to the last one. And hopefully, I found out if you bend it a little bit, it's a little bit easier. So you find your slot, it's right there. And that should be it. Now I'm just gonna have to pry on this a little bit to get it apart. And that's it. It's a little, it's not definitely not easy, but it does come apart. I'll show you what this does. So when you slide this in theory, it's supposed to push these apart, which will then in turn release it from this little square tang coming out. And I can see that some of them broke, getting them apart. Okay, so next you want to go on the other side, take your putty knife or whatever, non-marring preferably, and just pry off the rest of the frame, and that's it. All right, so online, these are $25. So I'm glad Lippert fixed us up. All right, so once again, thanks for checking out. We'll see you all next time. Bye.